On a Monte Cassino, Saint Benedict founded the great monastery that became the heart of his work. There he wrote the Rule of Saint Benedict, a guide for prayer, work, and community life. Ora et labora, pray and work became the motto. His rule spread across Europe and shaped monasteries for 1,500 years. He called monks to balance prayer, manual work, hospitality, and obedience. With his twin sister, Saint Scholastica, he showed